Hello guys. Welcome to your YouTube channel NB InfoTech.
Virtual Private Network (VPN). This is an application that allows the user to remain anonymous while using the internet by hiding your geolocation and encrypting network traffic. IP address. An Internet Protocol address is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. Exploit. Computer exploits are specialized programs or snippets of code that take advantage of a software vulnerability or security flaw. Firewall. In computing, a firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined security rules. Malware. Malware is an umbrella term that describes all forms of malicious software designed to harm a computer or to steal data. Common forms include viruses, trojans, worms, and ransomware. Virus. It is a type of malware aimed to corrupt, erase, or modify information on a computer before spreading to others. However, in more recent years, viruses also have the capability to cause physical damage. Ransomware. Ransomware is a form of malware that encrypts a victim's files. The attacker then demands a ransom from the victim to restore access to the data upon payment, or threaten to publish data if ransom is not paid. Trojan Horse. A Trojan will hide within seemingly harmless programs, or will try to trick you into installing it. Trojan Horse, or Trojan, can take control of your computer. It is designed to damage, disrupt, steal, or in general inflict some other harmful action on your data or network. Worm. It is a piece of malware program that can replicate itself in order to spread the infection to other connected computers. Botnet. The word botnet is a combination of the words robot and network. The botnet term is usually used with a negative or malicious connotation. A botnet is a number of internet-connected devices, each of which is running one or more bots. Botnets can be used to perform distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks, steal data, send spam, and allow the attacker to access the device and its connection. Spyware. This is a type of malware that functions by spying on user activity without knowing them. Spyware can do activity monitoring, keystrokes collection, and data harvesting, etc. Rootkit. They give cybercriminals the ability to remotely control your computer and steal your credit card or online banking information. They are hard to detect and are designed to remain hidden on your computer. Phishing. Phishing is a cybercrime in which a target or targets are contacted by email, telephone, or text message by someone looks like reputable source to attract people to provide sensitive data such as personally identifiable information, banking and credit card details, and passwords, etc. Social engineering. Social engineering is the act of tricking someone into divulging information or taking action, usually through technology.
If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel NB InfoTech, and press the bell icon to receive the notification whenever we upload a new video. In the comment, suggest to us more antivirus tests that you want. Till the time, take care. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.